Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get poison bloom in Elden Ring easily. This valuable crafting material is essential for many poisonous items. You'll find it growing in various toxic regions across the game's world. We'll cover the best locations and efficient farming strategies. Get ready to stock up on this crucial resource for your adventures in the lands between. It's simpler than you might think to gather a large quantity. Let's start with some prime locations. You can find about 5 poison bloom outside Murkwater Cave in Limgrave, right in the ravine. For a slightly larger haul, head to the swamp northeast of Castle Morn, where you can gather around 8 blooms. Another excellent spot is Jarburg. You'll discover approximately 8 poison bloom along its main street. These areas are great for initial collection. For a truly efficient method, head to the village of the Albinorics in Liurnia of the Lakes. Mount your trusty steed, torrent, and simply ride through the toxic waters. You can gather around 26 flowers in just a few minutes. Once you've collected your fill, rest at the nearby site of Grace. This instantly respawns all the poison bloom, allowing you to repeat the process quickly. Another great way to get poison bloom is by defeating the poisonous flower enemies, especially around the Waypoint ruins. The smaller flowers are easier to take down, but the larger ones drop more of the valuable material. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and may your journey through the lands between be filled with success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.